This was the scene Friday morning at Leeward Marina. A J&B Tours marine mechanic is the man on the ground with medical teams diligently trying to resuscitate him. WIV4 would later discover that they never did. Clanton Vandenberg of Guyana died around 11 a.m. Details were sketchy as officials on site were trying to get an understanding themselves, but News 4 was told that this boat is being overhauled and it was supposed to be just another day of work on the vessel for Clanton, but something went drastically wrong. There was an explosion, reportedly so powerful that it threw this Guyanese native from the boat onto the roof here at J&B. By the looks of it, the man was badly injured. There was head injury, eye injury, and it is believed there were broken bones. This from witness observation. Medical personnel was frantically pumping, and at times there seemed to be some hope. But the man, said to be 43 years old, gave no indication that these procedures worked at the scene. He was later pronounced dead at the Myrtle Rigby Health Complex. WIV also learned that this worker had just celebrated his birthday days before.